Welcome back. The illegal satellite phone user traced by Intelligence Bureau on 22nd December was finally seized on the 31st December night at a star hotel in Uttarda. Offence has been registered at Verna police station against 63-year-old Russian woman for using Thuraya's satellite phone. The joint operation was carried out by Verna police along with CID and the Intelligence Bureau.
Use of satellite phone without permission is banned in India as per Department of Telecommunication guidelines. The satellite phone was traced by Intelligence Bureau on 22nd December 2011 in South Goa. Accordingly, with the help of CID and local police station, IB launched a search on the same day. Finally, IB has traced a 63-year-old Russian woman named Valentina Pronko from Moscow Metropole. Satellite phone, which is made in Korea, has been seized and attached by the Verna police in the case. Use of satellite phone without permission is banned in India. Use of Thuraya phone is illegal in India. Department of Telecommunications guidelines ban the use. Unauthorized use of satellite phone in India can attract offence. Offence under 20 and 21 of Telegraph Act 1985. An offence for violation of provisions of Section 4 of the Act. Satellite phones go everywhere capabilities and hard to tap nature makes them a natural choice for coordinating terrorism. That's the reason the government of India has laid down restrictions on the use of satellite phones in India. Our reporter in Panji Basuri Desai and Surendra Madkekar from Vasco.
Facebook status of North Goa MP Shripad Naik on Sunday captured all eyes. He says he is firm on contesting from Porvorim for assembly election. He is just awaiting the green signal from the party chief Nitin Gadkari. Naik says that he has to respect feelings of his supporters as he will contest election only on his supporters' demand.
Have a look at this post on social website by North Goa BJP MP Shripad Naik. He has declared that he wants to contest from Porvorim constituency. He says that demand has come from his supporters and he has to respect their feelings. He is just awaiting green signal from party chief Nitin Gadkari. We spoke with Shripad Naik.
गोयान इलेक्शन लढोवपाची मागणी गोय जनता पार्टीच्या फाट्यान केल्ली गोयान लढोवचे म्हणून त्या पद्धतीन अध्यक्षाकडे तो विषय आसा राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्षाकडे आणि राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्षान अजून निर्णय दिवना रावप काय ना रावप तो येत्या एक दोन तीन दिसांक हो निर्णय कितलो कळटलो आणि म्हणूनच परवरे म्हटलं त्या हरकत निर्णय झाला जाल्यार परवरे रावतलो दोन खोटे आणि बीजेपी कांय संबंध ना तो एमजीचे कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून तो प्रचाराक लागला आणि पार्टीकान त्याला कांय संबंध ना आणि फॉर एक्झाम्पल धरुया म्हाका परमिशन मेळना पण रोहन खोटे तिकीट मेळची ना इतलें खरें.
There are talks on within the BJP circle whether North Goa MP Shripad Naik should enter local politics. Shripad Naik also wishes to enter the state politics, but few BJP leaders are not in favor of this move. If Shripad Naik wins assembly election and party comes to power, then BJP will have a question to face is who will be the CM. Some of the comments on Shripad Naik's post say Shripad Naik should be the next CM. A reporter from Panji Devidas Kamri with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Brahmakumari is an association with All Goa Private Bus Owners Association has started the Road Safety Week from Sunday. First week of January is celebrated as Road Safety Week all over the nation. This week-long program creates awareness about traffic safety and its rules. Leader of the opposition Manohar Parrikar launched the banners of road safety.
Road Safety Week is an opportunity to educate society and raise awareness among the general public about the safety rules of the traffic. Road safety banners will be displayed on private buses all over Goa. Members of All Goa Private Bus Owners Association will initiate the exercise. State is witnessing around 300 deaths and thousands of road accidents annually. Manohar Parrikar said that rising accident in the state is a serious issue. He says good training schools can help to reduce the road accident.
Training for traffic safety to the drivers is very important. The training आमचेकडे सिस्टीम ना. ट्रेनिंग सिस्टीम ही वेगळ्या पद्धतीन जाता. ताका एक कंटिन्युटी आसूंक जाय. ट्रेनिंग स्कूल आसूंक जाय कंटिन्युअस. तातूंतल्यान ड्रायव्हरांक एक वर्साक एक 5 दीस किंवा केन्ना एक आठवडोभर ट्रेनींग कंटिन्युअसली दिवपाक येता तेन्ना तें सेफ्टी ट्रेनींग दिवपाची गरज आसा. ट्रॅफिकाचे रुल्स कशे आहा, रेग्युलेशन कशें आहा, ती सगळी म्हायती दिवन ताची इम्पॉर्टन्स लक्षात हाडून दिवंक.
Our reporter in Panji Basuri Desai with video journalist Sushant Pal.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.